Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by putting the jeans on and pinning where the waist is loose. This gives you exact reference points. Once pinned, measure the total amount to remove in inches and note front versus back needs. Make sure to check belt loops and pocket seams so you don't distort them. Then turn the jeans inside out and press the waistband flat. That stabilizes fabric for stitching. Prepare your machine with a strong denim needle and matching thread so your first stitches will hold. Now carefully open the waistband seam where you can hide the adjustment, usually center back. Once opened, overlap the fabric to the exact measured amount and pin several checks to keep everything centered. Try the jeans to confirm fit before cutting. When satisfied, stay stitch along the new seam line to stabilize the raw edges and then trim away the excess, leaving a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Make sure pocket bags and interfacings are so the new waist seam with a strong denim stitch and reinforce the ends so it won't come undone. Then reattach the opened waistband, aligning notches and belt loops before final top stitching. Press the waistband and top stitch at the same distance as the factory stitching for a professional look. Try the jeans again and trim loose threads. If you see puckering or unevenness, don't panic. Loosen machine tension, lengthen the stitch slightly, and resew the area so the fabric lays smooth and balanced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.